Here we are again in this JavaScript lesson, which focuses on implicit coercion in JavaScript. The preliminary apps and folders are listed as follows: localhost 8888, Sublime Text Editor, Apache Server, Google Chrome Console, htdocs folder, memp server, which should be running at the background. At the same time, we're still using the HTML file implicit underscore coercion, which will be used in this lesson. And we are running this file in Sublime Text Editor. So go ahead and open it in Sublime. Our main topic is JavaScript variables and objects. Lesson 2.5, Implicit Coercion in JavaScript. At the end of this lesson, we'll be able to discover how JavaScript automatically converts variable types for us. This can make learning easier, but it also can cause unexpected issues. We stopped in these particular codes yesterday, and we'll have to answer the question which I left yesterday. By the way, we have a slight correction here. The age should be 181, as I've encircled in red. Yesterday, that was 185. So I have corrected it here. Going back to the question, how can we make this work? The codes that we have here, how can we make it work? So we're going to discuss each of the codes here in detail. Well, age is a string. As you can see, I have encircled in red. And 191 is a number. So what we can do here is to convert it. We could say parse int or parse float. Parse int or parse float will attempt to convert any value that's passed on into an integer, which is a number without a decimal or a number itself. So parse int age will get 191. And when we run it, it's in a browser, then this will work. So we can click OK. That's 191, click OK. That's just working fine. Click OK. And very much OK. Stop being so snarky. Then we can click the OK button. Okay, another thing that we could do is this one here. Please take a closer look. Age times 1. So I have encircled in green. This is kind of a way of explicitly telling JavaScript, hey, go ahead and convert this to a number. Now, technically speaking, this isn't really any much better because there is implicit coercion type going on here. JavaScript is saying age is a string, but we're multiplying it. We can't multiply a string, so we need to convert it to a number. The difference here is that we're converting this specifically to a number because of something that we type, not because we're allowing for flexibility with double equals, as I have encircled there in green. So again, explicit code is generally better. We won't also get as many bugs. Now let me show you a fun bug that we can run into. We're gonna change these default values so that way we don't have to run this code that we have been running into. So I have changed the first name Ray. What is your age? 100. I would like to demonstrate concatenation here. So we'll add var last name or the L name, prompt what is your last name. In here, I'll just make up a random name. So that's encircled in red, and I'll assign sting to that for the last name. And next, we'll add an alert. We're going to alert the full name. So alert fname plus lname, first name plus last name, encircled in red. So what we're doing here is that we're concatenating these two things together. So in this case, it's gonna alert as we run in the browser. So we can see the ray sting, the one with double underline. It's actually in red. So we're gonna put a string in between. So plus a string with a space character in there, encircled in red, and run localhost, and we'll get this ray space sting. So that's double underlined in green. We can also even add hello plus first name plus last name, and then we'll run it one more time. And as you can see it there, hello, ray sting. Now if we'll add a little bit more and we say age plus the age, that's encircled in green, what we're actually doing in here is that we're concatenating this number into this string, the one encircled in green. So we'll run this one. Hello, ray sting, age 100. So the one with the blue underline, that's all working fine. Everything is okay so far. So in the next session, we'll try to troubleshoot out or figure out where these codes could go horribly wrong. So I just hope that we learned more about implicit coercion in JavaScript, and we'll continue this lesson tomorrow. I hope that we learned something about implicit coercion in JavaScript today. Thank you.